Hey guys, welcome back to Sweet Teek Nails. In this video, I've got two different nail designs for you. I hope you enjoy the video. Here we go. Okay, for this design, I've decided to first start off with the liquid latex around the nails. That makes it for easy cleanup. I have decided I'm going to do a black and gray gradient. I'm going to start off with the gray base coat, which I'm going to do here in a minute, and then I will use a makeup sponge with the black and gray to make a gradient. I'm going to let this fully dry, and then I'm going to come back with my makeup sponge and the black and gray and do the gradient. So I'll be right back. So now that my nails are dry, I'm going to use my makeup sponge and the gray and black, and I'm going to do a gradient. I'm going to let this dry, and then I'm going to probably come back and do another coat. It's the line's showing too much, so I need it to be a little more blended. So I'll come back and do some more after I let it dry. I'll be back. I'm going to let this fully dry and then come back over and clean up the mess and take off the liquid latex, clean up around the nails, and I'll be back. Now that my nails have dried, I'm going to comb over with my Beauty Secrets top coat and put the top coat on, and then I think I might do some stamping. I'm not for sure yet, but I think I'm going to do some stamping, but I will decide and I'll be back. Okay, now my nails are dried. I'm going to use my Uber Chic Furry Best Friends plate and do these paw prints on one nail and the other paw prints on a different nail. And yeah, I'm going to use my white Conad stamping polish, and let's see what happens. myself right there. I'm going to put my liquid latex around the nails that I'm going to stamp on, and then I'll be back. Okay, saved myself from a big mess there. Put liquid latex around my nails that I'm going to stamp on, and now I'm going to go ahead and do my stamping.
Been a long time without you. Been a long time without love. Everything reminds me of you, but everything is not enough. Feeling out by the ocean, among all those white hot sands, where every sunrise is just for you. So come along and take my hand.
I'm going to go ahead and clean up my mess and take the liquid latex off, clean up my nails if I need to, and I'll be right back. Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and take my Maniology smudge-free top coat and go over the top of the two nails that have stamps on them so I can seal in the design and it will not smear it. Now I'm going to take my Northern Lights hologram top coat and finish off the nail design. It'll add some sparkle and it will seal in the design. design, I've started out with the liquid latex around my nails. I've got a white base coat on my nails, and I'm going to take white, black, and this pretty orange, and I'm going to do, I guess, like a spotted gradient. I'm going to try it and see what happens. I don't know if that's what it's called, but that's what I'm going to call it. I'm going to let this dry, and then I'm going to come back over and try and go back over it, see what happens. But so far I think it looks pretty cool. And I know once I take the liquid latex off, it'll look really neat. So I'm going to let it dry, and then I will be back. this dry and probably put a top coat on it so that it will blend all the colors in. At least I think it does when you put a top coat on it. And then I'm probably going to do some stamping. So I'll be back. Okay, so I have my Beauty Secrets top coat. I'm going to put a top coat on. And then I will let it dry and come back after that and do some stamping. Okay, so now that my nails have dried, I'm going to use my Uber Chic Furry Best Friends stamping plate and probably do this design right here on the edge. Okay, now that this has all dried, I'm going to remove the sticky stuff, the liquid latex, from around my nails and clean up, and then I'll be back. Now that my nails are dry and I've cleaned up around them, I'm going to take my Maniology Smudge Free Top Coat and go over the top of the nail that I have the design on, the stamp on. That way it doesn't smear the stamp. Then I'm going to take my Northern Lights Holographic Top Coat and I'm going to go over all of the nails to seal in the design and give it a sparkle. Well, that's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I sure had fun making it. I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. You click that bell and you'll get notified when I post a new video. If you like my videos, you can give them a thumbs up. You can always leave me a comment in the comment section down below. I'd love to hear your feedback. Most importantly, if you'd share my video, it gets it out there and other people can see it. Until next time, guys, have a good one. Bye-bye.